Okay, here's my AiPas F3 adventure bike, and really like it. I brought it out here a little bit into the woods, climbing little hills and everything really with ease. And I really like this bike. It's got a lot of power. It's a 1500 watt motor, dual disc brakes, and it's got brake light, turn signals. I added the mirrors and the phone holder, but it's been a great bike. I just got it, so only took me about 45 minutes to assemble it. It's a lot of packaging. The paint job is immaculate on this thing. The seat goes up really high. A 6-foot tall person would have no problem with this, or 4'9" or 8" person. I think right now it's set up for about 29-inch inseam, and it's a little short for me, but I can get on and off very easy. What's nice about this too, for this price range, it's foldable and it has dual suspension. So you see another shock there in the middle. It's got front shocks, 7-speed Shimano shifter, and a nice headlight that's really bright. And nice cabling, the way that they routed it there. This coating on it, it keeps it nice and clean, nice clean lines. I don't know if you can see the color of this. It's like a metal flake green. Really excellent job on the paint. I bought the saddlebag extra, which is nice, and it actually screws into the rack in the back that I think holds 100 pounds, somewhere around there. And it's got nice 3-inch wide tires, which is a little smaller than the 4-inch tires on a lot of bikes. And it's just great. It's a great little bike. I kind of searched around the internet, and for the price point and the power that this one has with the 1500 watt motor and 100 nanometers of torque, it's got torque. It's got a lot of torque. I just had it up to 31 miles an hour and I backed off. So it's very, very powerful, very fast. And I, of course, upgraded the speed on it, so it's more than just a class 2. It's now a class 3 bike, but it's immaculate. It was foldable. I wanted to say this. These are foldable, so if you fold it in half right there, you can put it in your car, and the pedals won't be poking into anything. They'll lay flat, and so that is unique. And here's the mechanism to lift up here, and then you can pull this out and it'll fold in half. I got a good deal because I had some credit with Amazon, so they go for $8.39, but I was able to, with my credits, get it for $600 and something. Of course, I bought the extra stuff, the bag, from them, and I bought the mirrors separately from another third party, and the phone holder. So it's really I don't have nothing but good things to say. The reviews I saw on this bike were all the same. Very nice, very well manufactured. I think they had some problems at the beginning, AiPas, last year, maybe the year before, but they've straightened them out. I called to ask a question about the bike before I bought it at AiPas, and it went to voicemail right away. I left my number. They called, I think it was either the same day or the next morning. They called me back and said, "Do you have any questions?" And I asked them about something. I can't remember what it was right now, but I was totally impressed that they called right back. So I know there was a lot of complaints online about them not responding. I think they've stepped up their game. This is a fantastic bike for the value. I would highly recommend it. It's got all the features that you would need on a that it has actually features that some of the higher end bikes have. And what's really impressive, it's foldable. The handlebars fold down, and then the bike folds in half, and it weighs like 68 pounds. And it's just a great value for the money. Highly recommend this bike. I went 4 miles on this. That's all I got is 4 miles on it. So, it's not a great review for a longevity, But all the other reviews I've seen on it, people having it 6 months or a year, they're all saying the same thing. It's just a great bike, and so I highly recommend this bike. It's an awesome bike. Glad I went with this one because it has all the cool features that you need. So anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. Have a nice day.